Thank you, guys. So for today, we have the formulas and graphs sheets. We're gonna do a family budget, okay? Let's do it. So para hoy tenemos la práctica que se llama fórmulas y gráficos en Google Sheets. Y vamos a hacer un presupuesto familiar, okay? So do me a favor and click on this link right here. Family budget. We're gonna create our own family budget, okay? So you should have something like this. So please make sure you follow the same steps that I'm gonna do, okay? Right on. So as you can see, you have the green column with the October expenses. You have the orange column with the November expenses. And you have the blue column with the December expenses, all right? Cool. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna plan for the next months. And we're gonna make sure that we take care of all these payments. So we're gonna make sure that we check this for one family, for the whole family, okay? How it works, easy peasy. So you just need to check with your parents or you can just make it, it's up to you, okay? And then you're gonna need to fill up all this information for October, November, and December. You're gonna need to make it for all the different expenses. You're gonna need to fill up these columns right here, okay? So let me show you an example that I have right away. All right, this is mine. Estas son las mías. Y como digo, vas a tener que llenarlas con toda la información de la familia. ¿Ok? So, para octubre, que es la columna verde, para noviembre, que es la columna amarilla, y para diciembre, que es la columna azul. ¿Ok? If you guys don't feel comfortable sharing your expenses, the expenses of the family, with the rest of the people, no worries. You can just invent it. Okay? You can just put random names. Random numbers, ¿ok? So, lo podéis inventar si no os sentís cómodos compartiendo los gastos de la familia, no os preocupéis, ¿ok? So, mortgage, for example, I just put this number right here. Es la renta o si estamos pagando por una casa. Water, more or less the payment per month, ¿ok? Cada mes el precio del agua, 30, 40, 60, etcétera. Okay, perfect. Gas and electricity, same thing. PG&E. So, ¿cuál es la factura del gas y de la luz? Lo pones aquí, el de la casa. Cable. Do you have a cable TV? Just put it right here. I don't have it, so then I put a 0. Okay. Internet, same thing. Everything, every month is the same. Por el internet, cada mes es el mismo. Sanitary services, para la basura. So just put right there the payment. So if you guys don't want to put your payments, you can, for example, you can add these ones that I have right here, okay? Car payment, this is for the family. Maybe you don't have a car yet, but probably your families, they are paying for cars. So then just put them right here. So you have 2 cars, you are paying double. Car insurance per month. Gasoline per month. Gasolina, seguro del carro. Car services, si lo has tenido que arreglar algún mes. So I didn't need it to fix it in this month. Same thing here. And I need to fix it in December. Okay, for example. Food, how much do you pay per food? Clothing, subscription services, and gym and sports. Food, comida, clothing, ropa, servicios de suscripción, subscription services. Do you have Netflix? Do you have HBO? Anything like that? Just add it right here. How much do you pay per month? Gym, sports, and so on. So I don't attend to the gym, sadly, because it's closed. 0. Health insurance. Are you paying health insurance? Your family is paying it? Yes? No? So then you put it right there, okay? No worries about the data. So it will be totally private. Nobody is going to access this data, only you and me. And as I said, if you don't want to put your personal expenses, you can make them up. You can put whatever you want, okay? is only for doing the calculations. All right, good. Then after that, you're gonna have to figure out which one is the category that you spend the most, more or less the average. Sorry guys, which one is the category that you spend the least expensive, the cheaper one. And then later on, you're gonna need to create a pie and a bar diagram. You're gonna need to create these guys, okay? So fill up the average expenses, that is this one, the red one. And finally, fill up the totals and calculate the savings, okay? I wanna help you with the last parts, okay? First, imagine that you already have all the data. That's gonna start doing the create a pie and the fill up the average expenses. We're gonna do this one, and this one, okay? So no worries guys, you're gonna have time later on to work on your assignment. Just let me show you how it works. So I want to put right here the average of these three values, okay? This is how it works. So you just click right here. Just put an equal sign that we did before. Equal sign. I just put average or average. This is the one. Of what? Of these three values. Of these three values. Like we did before, doing the previous practice, you just select it and then close the parentheses and you're all set. Solo lo seleccionas, cierras el paréntesis y ya lo tienes, okay? Is asking you actually to autofill. Yes, let's do it. Right on. Perfect. What happened with all these guys? I want to do exactly the same for the other ones. So click on this one and then extend it. Remember, click on this one and extend it. And you got it. Okay. So all the ones that you see that is asking you to actually to put something because it's empty, just delete it. You can delete it. You can delete this one, and you can also delete this one. When you see some errors right here, it's totally normal. Sometimes when you extend, so you will see the spaces. Right on. And now is where the magic happens. Create a pie chart with all the categories. You're gonna do this. Select this one right here. Just click on the A3, select everything. All right. Until the very last one, like health insurance. And now go back all the way to the top and I want to do it with the average expenses per month. And press and hold, presiona y mantén pulsado the control key. Let me show you guys. This is the one, the control key. Mantén pulsado la tecla de control. So press and hold, control key, and also select the average expenses. You see that I selected exactly the same number of elements. You got it. Okay. So mantienes pulsado la tecla control y seleccionas todo. Now I have the payment bills right here, and I have the average expenses. Everything is selected, right? Good. Click on insert and now select chart. I'm gonna have automatically this chart right here that is the column chart. I want to create a pie chart. So where it says column, so just scroll down and this is the pie chart. And the pie chart is going to provide you a lot of information. So you will see visually all the information that you need. For example, which one is the maximum, which one is the most expensive section, the one that is taking most of my money, mortgage and rent. ¿Cuál es la parte que más está agarrando de mi dinero? Es la de la renta, la del mortgage, okay? And what about the other ones? So as you can see, you have the percentage right here. You have the percentage right there, okay? So which one is the next one? Food. And what about the next one? Gasoline. And what about the next one? So then you just keep going and you can analyze your expenses. Pretty cool, huh? It's amazing, right? Let me just do it one more time. So let me just go back and do it one more time. Press on the first expense that you have. Press and hold until that you select all of them. All right. Now I got it. Now scroll up, press and hold control, the control key. And then now press and hold all the different expenses. I just want the ones of the last column. I don't want the other ones. Just only these ones to do the graphs, okay? Now just release the control key, click on insert and click on chart. In order to create automatically a pie chart, scroll down, you select pie, and then you will see all the expenses. And you can analyze where you can save a lot of money and the possibilities to save money. This is super, super useful for a family. Super, super useful. You can move it and you can place it anywhere. Don't put it over the numbers because it's going to be kind of tricky. So let's gonna put it right there, okay? And now finally, bar diagrams, totals, and all that stuff has to be calculated by yourself, okay? So I'm gonna now let you guys to work on this assignment. And if you guys have more questions, no worries, guys. I'm gonna let you guys the video, access to the video, so you can check it at any time, okay? All right. Questions before even to continue, let me know. Do you guys have any questions?